Mail call. Shit. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this 5160 knife forging steel from Patriot Steel. It's only 5160, nothing special about it. It's from a reputable source now, Patriot Steel. Instead of me going out and like getting leaf spring chunks and trying to forge a knife out of leaf spring, I don't know if there's cracks in it, I don't know if there's stresses in there or anything like that. But since I want to make quality American-made knives, where is it? Made in the USA. I want to get something without any of the impurities or any of the cracks in it, and I know that every time I order this, it'll become a good, solid piece of 5160 bar blank. I'm not sponsored in any way by these people. They didn't send me any money, or they didn't tell me to make this review. I'm purely doing this just out of convenience of my own self. about a week since I worked on this project because in the span of me forging this knife, I also made a sword. That video is going to show up like right here or right here, one of the two. Anyway, here's what we got so far. This is how it's looking off the anvil. And I got it shaped pretty nice. Got the palm swells over here. Contour lines on the handle looks pretty good.
Wow, what's that?
It's a knife.
Is that a knife?
Yeah, it's called a sword. Didn't go too crazy on the bevel, just because I wanted to leave it nice and thick. Still gotta grind a lot of it post heat treat. And of course my phone decides to be an ass. Just punch the blade with the M stamp. Now I'm gonna get it with the F stamp. Twice. And after the crunch, I'm still not wearing my apron. I'm still dressed to impress. But other than that, clean up the bevel. It's a little hot. Here's what I got off the grinder. Nice clean bevel. Now I'm just going to make it look pretty and hand sand it. So back in 2021, when I used to work at a building supply company, there used to be like a bunch of flooring stuff laying around. And I found this little piece in the flooring and I asked my boss, can I take this home? And he said, sure. And this has just been sitting in my workshop ever since, so I'm excited to use it on a knife, but it's got some really nice pattern to it, and if anybody knows what kind of wood this is, please let me know. Got these cleaned up. I'm just giving the spine of the knife a nice big blue, damn it, I can't speak. Got it all glued up using some JB Weld. So, got it all finished sanded, and the handle's looking really good. You can see the butt end of the knife, or whatever you want to call it. It's looking really good. So, we'll let that sit for a minute, then wipe it away. Something I've been doing so far with my knives is to give them a little bit of a waterproofing, or for the wood part as well, and to keep them a little bit shiny. Because I've been using this clear coat. As you can see, that makes it really shiny. This looks great. Also, I look like a Chernobyl victim because I'm working and it's raining. So, yeah. Just for fun, I'm going to chop through a 2x4. Shit. That actually made it sharper. So what are my final thoughts on this steel? Well, this steel is getting an A+ from me because this knife went past my expectations. It actually got sharper after I chopped through a 2x4, so this steel is some good stuff. Though it is just 5160, it's nothing special, but the quality of the steel is much better than a leaf spring. I feel like I could repeatedly produce some good knives coming from this and not have to worry about checking for cracking or anything like that that you would have to in leaf springs. But since this video is long enough already, I don't want to drag it out anymore. Thanks for watching.